Hi, welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. Today we are on a bike ride on the Limmat River going north of Zurich. We're going to try and go all the way to Baden. We'll see if we make it. It took us a while to get here through the city because you have to go on a few city roads, etc. But I have figured out the best way for families, that is in bike routes and on low traffic roads. It makes it a lot easier with smaller kids. So I'm going to put that in the bike map that I put on the website. And once you get to the river, you're on this great dirt path, as you can see here, and it goes for lots of kilometers all the way up to Baden. And we're going to try out a bunch of our new equipment. So you can see I've got a GoPro on my helmet. I don't know how to use it, so we'll see if I get any usable footage. I'll put a link in the description below to our website that has all the details, which I will write up as soon as we get back. All right, let's go get on the ride. So far we've made it to the Insel, which is a really nice place for a picnic and swimming in the summer. And this is about as far as we've ever been. So now it is mystery territory, and I hope that we can make it all the way to Baden. Then we're going to take the train back to Zurich. You don't have to worry about any traffic and lots of places to stop and have a picnic, which is what we're doing right now. We're having a little snackly, and then we're going to get back on the road. So just past the Insel is this little theme trail. It goes through this little bog forest here. Whoa! Alright, I'm going to show you the right way to go. We came across two maps. One showed us to go, said that the bike path was on that side of the river, and the other one showed that the bike path was on this side of the river. We didn't know where to go. So now we're on the east side of the river, and there's all these signs saying, that sign means, yeah, no bikes. And then we just got told off by an older couple that told us, no bikes. And we've just seen 10 bikes come by us. They didn't get yelled at, but we did. Next time we're gonna go on the other side of the river and then see if anyone yells at us on that side. All right. We were on the wrong side of the river. We were rightly scolded, and now we've made amends. We are now on the west side of the river, the correct side of the river, and we're gonna go find the train station because my sweetie is tired. And we're not going to finish the ride today. But wait, where are you going? We have finished our bike ride for the day. We did not make it all the way to Baden, but I'm not disappointed. We had a great ride. We are stopping in Spreitenbach, and we have been riding our bikes, well, out on the trail for a good 4 hours, maybe longer. Just taking our time, and maybe we'll take the train out here to Spreitenbach and go the rest of the way to Baden. We've got 6.2 kilometers left to Baden. So with kids, probably, well, small kids probably won't make it the whole way, but the path is so great, so wherever you stop, it's fine. Let's see, here in Spreitenbach, pretty easy to catch the train, except for there are a bunch of stairs going up to the track, which was annoying. There was no ramp, so I had to carry all the bikes up. Annoying. On this trip, we have had 2 crashes plus 1 almost crash. We have had 2 wrong turns and 1 scolding. We had 3 lizard spottings. We had 1 dead battery and 1 forgotten cable, so we couldn't charge that dead battery. And a lot of mistakes, but also a lot of fun. So I would definitely do it again. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you want the details for this ride, I'll put a link in the description below to our website. And we'll see you here soon back on our channel for more family-friendly activities in Switzerland.